Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is going to be a haul video. Now I suggest you grab your favorite drink, a little bit of snacks, because this one's a big one. We had a all month sale going on in the month of July, and all that has come in. So I have on my desk right now the 49 and Market collection. Now this one is one of the newer versions of how she's been doing them. So we get the chipboard pieces, the die cuts, the ephemera. That's this package. You get the frames and the wood color, which will be nice to play with. And then we have the titles. So you have the like Christmas, Mary, all those. And then this is the solid 12 by 12 collection that goes with obviously the main kit. So when they have them available, she'll do what's called the collection kit, which I'm going to show you a little bit later because it's two separate things. And I'm just going through the bag with all the items that I had. So in the month of July, Michelle offered the spice collection again, and when she had it, I had to get it again. Had to, because this is one of my favorite fall colored ones. I love the maroons and the purples and the pinks and greens. It's just a really nice palette with this collection. So real quick, I'm just showing you all the stuff that came in with this. So we have the ephemera, the baubles. Those were the words that I was double checking. And then we have the chipboard pieces. And 49 and Market, if you've never had them before, they give you a ton of stuff. Like, you won't ever get through all of it. Even if you use all the papers in the collection, it's just that much stuff. But these are fun to use. And then I got the paper collection and the solid pack. Now this is how we were doing them before they started doing some of the collection, because the special collection one, it's in a plastic piece, sort of like the ultimate page sheets that they have, like this one that I'm pulling up. This is for Evergreen, which was the first one I showed you, the Christmas collection. So this is the actual where it has like all different kinds of stuff in it. And I think, do I take it out? I don't think I take this one out. But anyway, you get all these elements. So you get the 12 by 12 pattern paper, you get chipboard, you get some more pull aparts, tons of stuff. And then I like the page kits as well. They're fun to use. So I definitely wanted to get that for the Evergreen collection. I forgot to get this when it came out for the summer collection, summer porch. So I wanted to make sure I did get at least one of those page kits. And then I got the specialty paper from Paige Evans. It's hard to see. I don't know why I grabbed like the darkest color ever, but it's a pretty acetate sheet. And I'm going to just slip this back in the bag and put what we checked out first in as well. And then we're going to go to the next. I'm telling you, this was jammed packed, but everything that you're seeing was on special. So let me see. Of course, we have our ribbons. We're going to put those up to the side. And then we'll break down. I call this right here the mixed media bag. The Snap album goes with a collection we're going to see in a little bit for the Christmas holidays. I try to do a December daily, if you guys have heard of that before. But I use a Snap album and I use Simple Stories collection. So I'll show you that when it comes up. Right now, I'm just taking out of the plastic all of the acrylic paints that she had on sale. These were by Dina Weekly. I hope I'm saying that right. But, I got black and white. I got some pinks and grays, green. I don't know why, but olive greens are like always one of my favorite greens. But she had so many colors So I wanted to show you that. And then Simon Hurley came out with some glitter paste. They call it Astro Paste. And so I wanted to share with y'all that. And what I'm trying to do, I grabbed my glasses to read the back. They dry, they are translucent. So yeah, I can't wait to play with them. But you got all these colors. And then I also got another one of these. This is a lunar paste. And I love it because it's like something similar to gold, but it's not like a vibrant gold. So I got a second one because I actually have one already of that one. And then I got the platinum. When I went to buy it, when they first came out, they went on wait list. And then I got the two newest colors, goldenrod and is it verbatim? Verbena? I don't know. And then I got the Spectrum Noir glitter paste. I mean, this was a really big glitter oriented haul for sure. So I'm just pulling out all of these. And these ones are the solar paste. Now the solar paste ones, they work really well on black paper. They show up very vibrant. And I like this ochre color because of the ochre collection from 49 and Market. So that's why I grabbed that. And then I also got two refills. I got the gold, the regular gold, and the platinum. And then we had the different mica sprays from Nuvo, which works really well. That one I just showed you as a gold. If you're running out of any golds that you have, I highly suggest it if it's available. And then this blue and pink, there was something about them. I like that color combo. Okay, so that was all the mixed media, I think, in there. I might have a little bit more, but we're going to go ahead and kind of clear off as we go because I think this that we just saw was one box. It had the two bags in it. And now we're going to, I believe, go on to the next box. But hold on one second. Let me just finish putting everything up. All right. Yes. Now we're going on to the next box. So now I've got the first bag out. And I wanted to show you these with the red handle are the long shears, but I use them to cut up foam. And I find that they're getting harder and harder to clean and keep clean. So I got another set in the black handle, which is available in the shop. Those two flowers were freebies, depending on the amount that you spent last month. And I love the 3 stamps. Great for texture. And then this one from Catherine Pooler would be great for cards. I don't know how many people have used these chipboards, but they're really heavy and you only get 4 in the package, but they are substantial. Then I got the Sizzix stamp set. So you get the background stamps and the words. I got a second one of the powder from Pink and Main. I like to have the second one only because we still have extra from the first time I bought it, but the lid, I've misplaced it. So if something starts going wrong with that one that I have open, I can go to the other one. Now these are washi tape from All and Create, and I'm trying to grab a card. This is how I created this background with the birds, was using the washi tape for a birthday card that I put together on a live. And I had to get the newest ones that she had because they were awesome. Now these are letters for Crafty Things that I wanted a second one just in case. I've been making a lot of projects with that. Of course, film strips. And then these are all words on little black paper, like black strips. So these are nice to add to titles and stuff like that. We have another 2 stencils, the starfish and the I don't know what it would be called, a burst. And then this one looks like fire. It's hard to see because it's clear. This one is cobblestone, and this one is like a it looks to me more like a tropical flower. Now this one, you get 3 stencils, and those are the 3 on the back to create the snowflakes. And then I got some of the foam squares, which I really like using these. They're easy to peel off on the back, and they're great to use on cards. Okay, I got an extra one of the foam letters from Main Character Energy. We got the foam letters for the Boho Christmas. I love those gold alphas. And then this was a free gift too, depending on, I forget when it was a free item. Now this kit is the Boho Christmas collection that I was talking about earlier. And then we got this new thing, which is the charm maker. I'm going to probably wind up doing a video on that because I've never seen that before. And this should be interesting to play with it and see how it goes. All right, so let's put some of this up because I can't wait to share with you some stamps and stencils that we got. Now, I was just looking to see if the instructions were in there, but I think they got emailed to me, so it's all good. But the snap and that goes together. And with that, we're going to create our December daily. Now this, I actually got 4 copies of this, and I love, because I think this would make great side-by-sides, but I love the rainbow and then that sort of like a die cut piece that sits on top. This was also from Mlss, and so I love it. Or is that not Mlss? I think, is that Paige? I'm not sure. If you guys know, just make a comment down below. Now this one is, I mean, I just love the things with the cats. I can't even help it. I don't know if you guys know this, if you're new and you haven't been to my channel before, but I have 3 cats, an all black cat, a tuxedo cat, and an orange and white cat. Mango, Boo Boo, and Salem, respectively. And so whenever they have cat, I always got to get it. And then look at this. This is just called Sugar Plum. I think it's like Sugar Plum Christmas. This is by Photoplay, and I love the colors. You get a solid pack to go with it, and then you get the ephemera. I really enjoyed that collection. Okay, before I show you that piece I have on the bottom, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about these. These are a new stamp set and stencil set that kind of are designed to go with the new Sizzix platform. So that's why I got these, because I was like, ooh, this will allow me to be able to now use it and show you guys exactly what you can do with it. So you got the different areas where they show you, you know, how you can color it in, and then you take the stamp and you can stamp on top of the blended part from the stencil, and you have a scene, you know what I mean? It'll be really nice, and they're easy to line up, so these will be fun to play with. And bear with me while I fight to put this back into the plastic, as always. And then this one, I like about this one is it's trees, and I love tree stamps, but it also has a stencil. So you got all the different sizes. You get the 4 size trees. You get some words. Those are the baubles for the tree if you want to make it look like they're connecting to the tree itself. And then you also have sayings like, may your days be merry and your heart be bright. All different sayings. And then we have the big words on the stencil, which you could use. And I like how it lines up. So that really big one is obviously for the big tree, but then the ones with the lights, you can kind of use the smaller one. You don't have anything for the 2 small trees, but you can make a nice card front, you know what I mean, using this collection. And again, we're going to fight it back in because I know me, I will not put it back together when I'm done with this video. Now this, Michelle sent me because she colored it using the spritz from Tim Holtz with a stencil, and I love how this looks. So I asked her to send it to me, and look, it would go so well with that sugar plum. Won't it? I like it. I can't wait to play with that. All right, so now I'm going to move this paper, move these stamps, and we're going to go on to our final package. I'm just trying to put this stuff back in together and grab the last one. Again, we have the ribbons, which I keep a Utz container that I put my ribbons into. All right, so let's just get started. So I got these two spellbinders, gems. I got new squeezies for the spritz. What are they called? Toppers. I got these flowers, which are wonderful because they're handmade in India, I believe. And another bag because the bags hold so well. I got these. I thought they would make cute to add to like keychains or some stuff like that as gifts. I got this little stamp from Catherine Pooler, which is so cute. And I also got the blending. And those look for more detailing, so that's going to be fun to play with. All right, so I got the box of cards from 49 and Market. I hadn't seen these before, and I think I did a live with Gina, and she used one. So I was like, let me test these out. So we get acetate sheets. I got some more film strips that go with the Spice collection. The stencils. I don't know, a geek. I don't know how to explain it, but I love me a good stencil. And then we got some sheets from the 49 and Market, some photo protectors. This is waterfalls that you can put into an album already pre-done. You just have to put it together. This is another stencil. I love these because these make for great backgrounds. I already have the folios, but I wanted the refills. So that's what we got there. Some puffy gold letters, which you can never go wrong with. And then we have the 6x8 pad in the evergreen. And then more of the, I think those are rub-ons. And then the other one is laser die cuts. And then this is the washi tape. So that right there completes the evergreen collection for 49 and Market. We have the cluster kit from Spice. I literally got everything that she had left. Because I know that one, I feel like any time of the year, if fall time comes around, you're going to want to grab it and make layouts with that because it's such a beautiful collection. So in here, I wind up getting this sequin pack from Pink. I think it's Picket Fence. And it has bees in it. Yeah, I did it because I'm obsessed with Bridgerton. So I was like, I want the bees. And then we have the black Nouveau drops. And this one dries clear. But what I'm doing there is I'm drawing dots on the top of the lids. And then when they dry, you have an easy way to see the color, once you've used it. You know what I mean? Because sometimes in the bottle, not that it looks completely different, but you can see, okay, yeah, no, this is definitely going to be a nice jet black. It's not going to be gray or, like the color's off. And I saw somebody else do this, so I can't take credit for it, but it really does help. And I use the dots on top of my lids for all of my Nouveau drops. And then those are the smaller bits that I kept out. So you're going to see picture here. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And I will see you guys with our next video.